Myself, Aryan Deshmukh. I, on the behalf of St. Xavier English School, Shegao, welcome you all to this festive occasion.
Myself, Ayush Agrawal, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
It's really a very pleasant morning today. Today, it is a very glad to see all the Independence Day we are celebrating in our school.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Aryan. After almost 2 years, we are back in the laps of our school. It feels like if a lost child gets back to his home.
It's absolutely an inexpressible feeling. Today, it feels that we are really celebrating Independence Day in its true sense. Free from the stress of the lockdown and free from the stress of the coronavirus.
Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Philip, Guest of Honor, Reverend Father Arvind, respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. On this day, our India got independence and our dream of living in an independent country came true.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great and proud day for all of us. On this day, we got the freedom from the slavery of the British rule.
Now it's the time to welcome our chief guest on behalf of our school. For this, I would like to call upon Madam Kavita Deshmukh to felicitate our chief guest of today's function, Reverend Father Philip, the St. Xavier School Principal. Now, may I call upon Madam Pallavi to felicitate Father Arvind. I would also like to call upon Madam Madhuri to felicitate Sister Dominica. Now it's the time for our auspicious flag waving ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. May all living beings live in peace with harmony with nature and all other forms of life. I would request the chief guest of today's function, Reverend Father Philip, for unfurling our national flag.
Standards, attention, school salute.
Start the national anthem.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की,
जय,
भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे।
मातरम।
Now may I request our guest of honor, our chief guest and Sister Dominica to take their place.
We salute and thank you our freedom fighters who gave their lives and made great sacrifices. This is the reason we are here together to celebrate this day today. Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of the nation and start with our cultural programs.
Now I would like to call upon Sachi Bhutada of class 6 to express her views.
Good morning to one and all, respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are here on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. India gained independence on 15 August 1947. At midnight, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gave a beautifully worded speech starting with the words, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. So let's together make our country the best country in the world. I would like to say we should be proud to be an Indian. So let's together enjoy this day with great happiness. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Sachi, for your wonderful words. Now let us move forward to our second performance, and that is a song by the girls of class 7.
We are the pride of Indians tomorrow. Let's begin it here and now. United in one heart, strive for a better tomorrow. We're gonna change our land, we're gonna change our land with the peace and harmony. For without it, we would walk in vain. Rise up, India, rise up. Let's honor motherland with the pledge of fidelity. Vande, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Show the world that we are one. Be the change you want to be. Rise up, India, rise up. Let's honor motherland with a pledge of fidelity. Vande, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Show the world that we are one. Be the change you want to be. Be a champion, wanna be. Take a lead to bring peace. For who, if not you and I, to be what the world is going to see. Rise up, India, rise up. Let's honor motherland with a pledge of fidelity. Vande, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Show the world that we are one. Be the change you want to be. Rise up, India, rise up. Let's honor motherland with a pledge of fidelity. Vande, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Show the world that we are one. Be the change you want to be. We are the pride of India's tomorrow. Let's begin it here and now. Rise up, India, rise up. Let's honor motherland with a pledge of fidelity. Vande, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Show the world that we are one. Be the change you want to be. Vande, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Show the world that we are one. Be the change you want to be.
Thank you for your melodious song. Moving ahead of the program, I now invite Arya Bhagwat of class 7 to express her views.
A very good morning to one and all, respected father, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Arya Sagar Bhagwat from class 7th. Today I am here to give a speech on Independence Day. I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our nation. I am feeling so proud to be an Indian. I have this great chance to give a speech on Independence Day, and I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me this opportunity to share my views about freedom of India with all of you. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August because India got freedom on this day. This is the day when we remember the glory of our nation as we remember the efforts and struggles of Indian freedom fighters. Britishers were ruling India over a long time and Indians were treated like slaves. The march towards independence started in 1857. Many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Lokmanya Tilak and many other leaders fought for our country to bring back its glory. On this day, the citizens of our country celebrate by hosting the tricolor national flag and salute it while singing our national anthem. This can also help in filling patriotism in younger generations of our nation. We have celebrated this day by remembering the sacrifices of great Indian leaders who laid down their lives for the freedom and prosperity of our nation. In my view, freedom is the most precious gift of Indian freedom fighters, and we should keep faith and secularism and never separate to maintain the unity of our nation. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
I would like to call upon Ganesh Rathi of class 7.
Good morning to one and all, respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate this auspicious occasion of this Independence Day on 15th August. Many best wishes and congratulations to all of you on this day. I am very happy to have this opportunity to express my thoughts on this day. Freedom is something that money can't buy. It's the result of struggles of many brave hearts. Let us honor them today and always. This is our 75th Independence Day. Just 75 years ago, we got the independence from the British. Independence Day is a very important occasion for every Indian. After independence, on 15th August, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise our national flag at the Red Fort near Delhi Lahore Gate. The Indian Prime Minister in the national capital also hosts our national flag at the Red Fort. After this, the salute is given by firing 21 guns and a helicopter showers tricolor flowers on the flag. The colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice, white signifies truth and peace, and green signifies faith and prosperity. In the center of the flag, there is an Ashoka Chakra which contributes 24 evenly distributed navy blue color spikes. We are lucky to have been given a land of peace and happiness by our forefathers, where we can live all the night or enjoy all day at school or home. And today I also want you to remember the Corona warriors who sacrificed their lives in this hard Corona pandemic. At last, I want to say few lines. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now, I would like to call upon Vedashri Taide to express her views of patriotism in Sanskrit.
सुप्रभातम सुप्रभातम सुप्रभातम. अहम वेदश्री तायडे अस्मि. स्वतन्त्र्य सर्वेभ्यः प्राणिभ्यः प्रिया भवति. जीवनजन्तयो अपि पराधीनतायां कष्टस्य कुर्वन्ति. 1947 तमस्य वर्षस्य अगस्त मासस्य 15 दिनाङ्के भारतगणराज्यं स्वतन्त्रम् अभवत्. अतः इमं दिवसे स्वातन्त्र्यदिवसे इति कथ्यते. अस्मिन् दिवसे राष्ट्रपतिः राष्ट्रं सम्बोधितवान्. देशभक्ताः इमं दिवसे राष्ट्रपर्वाणि रूपेण स्मरन्ति. यद्यपि अस्माकं देशे अनेकानि राष्ट्रीयपर्वाणि सन्ति, परन्तु इदम् एकम् अत्यन्तं महत्त्वपूर्णं राष्ट्रीयपर्वं विद्यते. अयं दिवसे इतिहासे सुवर्णाक्षरे अंकितः अस्ति. सर्वे जनाः महता उत्साहेन सम्मानयन्ति. बालाः, वृद्धाः, युवानश्च सर्वे प्रसन्न दर्शयन्ति. सर्वत्र भारत मातु जयस्त्र तुमुल ध्वनिः श्रूयते. जय हिंद, जय भारत. धन्यवादः.
Now I would like to call Sanjita Mahale of class 1st to express her views.
Good morning all of you. My name is Sanjita Santosh Sujata Mahale. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. It reminds us the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. Flag hosting and singing national anthem is the most important part of the celebration. It is one of the greatest festivals of the democracy. Thank you.
our 75th Independence Day full of enthusiasm and patriotism. And to express the feeling of enthusiasm and patriotism, we now invite the teachers of our school for a song.
मेरा कर्मा तू, मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू। हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हर कर्म अपना हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई, हम वतन हम नाम है। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई, हम वतन हम नाम है। जो करे इनको जुदा मजहब नहीं इल्जाम है। जो करे इनको जुदा मजहब नहीं इल्जाम है। हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। तेरी गलियों में चलाकर नफरतों की गोलियां, तेरी गलियों में चलाकर नफरतों की गोलियां। लूटते हैं कुछ लुटेरे दुल्हनों की टोलियां। लूटते हैं कुछ लुटेरे दुल्हनों की डोलियां। हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। भारत माता की जय।
Thanks, dear teachers, for your melodious song. Now, I would like to call upon Shri Kathani of Class 5 to present his musical renditions of few patriotic songs.
a mesmerizing performance. A very well utilization of lockdown period. Sri, well done.
Really, this lockdown period has risen up some of the hidden talents amongst us. Now, I would like to call upon Bhargavi Mankar of Class 8 to express her views of patriotism.
Good morning everyone present here. Respected father, sister, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. We have a lot to offer the world, especially considering our spiritual journey and our peaceful nature. Every year on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day as a national holiday in India, when people remember the long phase of our nation's independence from British rule. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of moments in which many great leaders sacrificed their lives. Our freedom struggle forms the foundation of modern India. Our visionary leaders brought together diversity of worldview to make a common national spirit. They were committed to the causes of liberation, Bharat Mata, from the oppressive foreign rules and securing the future of our children. Their thoughts and action gave shape to the identity of India as a modern nation. On 15th August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister to raise a national flag at Red Fort. We are so lucky to have the land full of peace and happiness given by our forefather. Every year on 15th August, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort and helicopters showering tricolors of flowers on the flag. The soldiers do parade and fire 21 guns in the air and salute the flag. We'll recall the great sacrifice of all our daring freedom fighters on this special day for their unforgettable contribution to India's independence. May all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious and may no one come to greed. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call upon Shayan Khan of Class 8.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected principals, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shayan Ahmed Khan from Class 8A. Today I am here to have a speech on the special occasion of 75th Independence Day. This was the day when we got liberty from British rule. There were lots of efforts and sacrifices done by the ancestors during the freedom struggle. And finally we got it on 15th August 1947. We all have been exposed to various narrations, versions and speeches regarding Independence Day, 15th August and the struggle behind it. I think more than anything, it is very important to all of us to think and understand the objective of being free and independent. As a nation, we all have to take a pledge to contribute and participate in the nation building as self-reliant and strong. We are only the future of our country. If we take a vow and start working on it, then no one can stop us to make our nation as strong. We need to be more sensible and without discriminating on the line of caste, creed, race, religion. We should come together and expedite the true nation building, which will be the best place to live on the planet, technologically ahead with great human values across. I am very much confident that we, the children of the nation, will not let any stone unturned to fulfill the dreams of making our nation the great again, which is the actual motto of the struggle and purpose of independence. There are many ways in which we can contribute, starting from oneself by inculcating the thoughts and acting upon them, organizing self in such a manner where we improve our sensibilities, literacy, empowering capabilities and capacities, where we would be no longer depend on others, and contribute, participate and lead in whatever stream to make our nation the great. Last but not the least, I would like to thank everyone here for allowing me to share my thoughts on this occasion. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to call upon Purva Parganmore of Class 8 to express her enthusiastic words.
Good morning everyone, respected fathers, teachers, sisters and all my dear friends. Today I am here to give a short speech on Independence Day. Friends, do you know what is Independence Day? Every year on 15th August we all celebrate Independence Day as a national holiday by hosting the national flag and saying the national anthem. From 1857 to 1947, many freedom fighters and several people had a great struggle. They had even left their life for India to be independent. We all had great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others. After we got independent on 15th August 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister to hoist the national flag at Delhi Lahore Gate. So we should respect our country, nation and our freedom fighters. At last, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I would call upon Aditi Chincholkar of Class 8.
Good morning to one and all, respected father, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here on the occasion of Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day with great enthusiasm. This is our 75th Independence Day. We commemorate Independence Day on 15 August every year. On 15 August 1947, we got freedom from British rule. This day is celebrated as a national festival in India. On this day, we got freedom. We remember our freedom fighters and we feel proud. Our Prime Minister hoisted the national flag on the Red Fort, Delhi, and delivered speech to the citizens of India. We listen it on the social medias. At midnight, when the clock struck 12, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the tricolor flag and delivers the beautiful speech. On this day, we got our fundamental rights and we remembered the great struggle of freedom. In schools and colleges, we celebrate this day by flag hosting and distributing sweets among the children. I love my country very much and am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thanks all the students for your enthusiastic words. Now coming on the stage is our chief guest, Reverend Father Philip, to address the audience.
Good morning everyone. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we celebrate 75th Independence Day of our country. On this day, we the citizens pay respect to all the great leaders who fought bravely for the India's independence in the past. However, this year, unlike other, there are no grand celebrations due to COVID-19 pandemic. No one would have guessed that virus like COVID-19 would come and without differentiating, it would alter the lifestyle of people. Due to COVID-19, many changes came to our world and it took some time for everyone to adapt to the new normal. COVID-19 impact was everywhere, which resulted in the closure of schools and educational institutions. Though schools are closed, students are attending their classes through various education initiatives like online classes, TV programs, etc. Though it is a good thing happening, but on the other side, there were lots of students who didn't own resources to attend the online classes. Many students struggle to obtain the gadgets required for online classes. Your parents to have gone through a lot of hardships and difficulties during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Your parents, dear students, though poor, have provided for all your needs. You must be grateful to your parents for the sacrifice they make and the struggles they go through in their lives. I would like to ask you, dear students, how will you express your gratitude towards your parents? It is by doing your duty as a student, working hard on your studies, taking interest in your studies, being regular to attend classes, doing your work sincerely, being obedient to your parents and teachers. Teachers also are playing a very important role in this present situation. Teachers who are all expert in blackboard, chalk, books and classroom teaching were really new to this digital teaching, but they too have adopted the new methods and handling like a pro to aid the students in current situation. I would like to thank and express my gratitude to all our dear teachers for their hard work and efforts they are putting in so that the students can stay safe at home without getting affected by the life-threatening virus. We are really grateful to you, dear teachers. I would like to thank and appreciate all our parents. Though we are going through a difficult situation, you have been very cooperative and supportive. Thank you, dear parents. Once again, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Father, for your ever-inspiring and motivational words. Before we draw the curtain, I would like to call upon Aryan Deshmukh of Class 9 to propose a vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Philip, sisters, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today, I would like to propose a vote of thanks to each and everyone who have contributed to the success of today's program on 75th Independence Day of our country. कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता, उसे perfect बनाना पड़ता है. Yes, I am proud to be an Indian. As our chief guest rightly mentioned that the responsibility of each and every citizen is to make our nation great. Hence, on this occasion, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Reverend Father Philip. Thank you, Father. My words may not suffice to express the sense of gratitude to thank all the teachers and staff for their cooperation and support. I am thankful to all the parents and well-wishers for their valuable presence this morning. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all my friends for their energetic participation and involvement. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.